before we decided to invest in a new process management tool, our processes used to live in Excel. And as you can imagine, Excel is unclear, full of gaps, and was stored in a shared network, and most of the people didn't know everything about it. The biggest issues we had was the employment of new people. So they came to us and we told them how to work. It was written in these Excel tools, but they are not up to date. So the guys around them work differently to that what they have read, and that's really bad, and gives a lot of uncomfort. We decided to go with Gluu because it was not oversized, it was web-based, and that's something we try to achieve, that we have a tool which is easy to use, and also the ratio of costs and benefits should be really okay, and that's something we found with Gluu. Gluu is a process management tool which is out of the box with a lot of functionalities and easy to use, and easy also to get the first processes done and optimize it on the way. When we started with Gluu, we have support from Gluu self, and that helped us a lot to split this big tool at the end in some parts and get it right done. So that was for us really important. So the biggest benefits with Gluu is clearly that our processes are transparent and clear for everyone, and we definitely talk about the processes in a shared circuit. So means we improve it all the time. We started with using of cases in Gluu. That is a really big thing for us because it makes life easier and gives a good overview where we stay in a certain project. That is something we like to enroll to more and more processes. And the next things are more integration with Power BI and probably also with Teams. And also another thing is use the module competencies, that we build up all the knowledge and certificates our employees have, that we have everything in one spot. Gluu is now a central reference point. All the processes, all the documents are in one place. That reduces questions, and it also reduces faults we made and gives some consistency to the daily work of the guys around me. Gluu isn't a tool you just can switch on and then it's running perfectly and all your processes are done. It's more a journey, a trip you go through with your company to improve your processes, to talk about it and to improve them. So I guess that's the biggest plus point for me for Gluu, and that's something a new customer should know, that they start with Gluu and going fast forward and getting the first processes done, test them on the guys, on the shop floor, wherever, and improve it step by step. That's why Gluu is built for, and with the revision, you always have a good backlog and see what happens. My advice with working with Gluu in the beginning is clearly that you better start with 80% and get that quick forward rather than aiming to be perfect.